Okay, y'all, so I may or may not have gone full mad scientist with this. This box is the LOKLiK iEngrave laser engraver, and it's about to become my favorite hobby machine slash fire-breathing art dragon. Let's crack it open. Inside it looks like they have everything neatly packed. The engraver body, laser module, Wi-Fi module, safety gear, power cables, all of the little bits and bobs that I'll need to get this thing assembled. It's giving, yes, I DIY. Let's get assembling. Alright, I know setup sounds scary, but this was surprisingly smooth. I mean, yes, I did have to use an Allen wrench, but I didn't cry once. So that's saying something. First, I released the X-axis motor screws and checked the connections. The screws look like an L-shaped kind of bracket. I'm trying to show you on the screen here. It had 3 screws that I had to undo. Then you're wanting to flip the machine over and you have the same thing on the other side. This is actually just there for transport and to protect it. It came across country to me. Then I built these cute little robot feet, leg extensions if you're fancy, and stuck on the cable clips. For the leg extensions, you're going to want to go ahead and grab one piece from each bag. Leg extension 1, number 2, and then you also have the little foot pad. You're going to twist all of those together to make each of the 4 legs. Next came the Wi-Fi module. Yes, she's wireless. And then the laser cover panels. I was out here playing laser Lego. Cables go through the holes, fans get connected, safety limit switches hooked up. It's giving tech savvy but approachable. Then of course the exhaust pipe, the LED light bar for that laser disco moment, laser module slides in like butter, cables plug in, and we get the all-important safety lock and emergency stop setup. You cannot power this thing on unless all of the safety steps are done, which I appreciate because fire is cool, but not like that. Okay, real talk, this machine is actually kind of a beast. The LOKLiK iEngrave is beginner friendly, but still super powerful. We're talking up to 500mm per second speed, and it can cut through 8mm wood in one pass. One pass! And it works on over 300 materials. Wood, metal, acrylic, leather, glass, you name it. Now, I haven't engraved a tortilla yet, but don't tempt me. It's also a fully enclosed class 1 laser. So it's super safe and it will literally stop mid-engrave if you open the cover. Safety first, pyro second. Once it's all plugged in and powered on, emergency stop unlocked, safety key turned, all the things, I downloaded the LOKLiK app and connected via USB. You can also use Lightburn or Laser GRBL if you're more advanced. I uploaded a simple design, adjusted the focal length based on the material thickness, aka I slid the little pin thing and tightened it in place, and boom, ready to go. This thing is fast. The engraving was clean and super detailed, even on wood and metal. Cutting like a hot knife through butter, but you know, laser style. Plus, it's really quiet, like suspiciously quiet. Like, should I be concerned? No, it's built that well. I made this and now I'm addicted. I already have 5 birthday gift ideas, a bunch of Christmas gifts for all of my nieces and nephew, 3 Etsy listings in my head, and sudden urge to engrave my name on everything I own. If you've been thinking about getting into laser engraving, this is literally the easiest way in. Beginner friendly, budget friendly, and makes you look like a creative genius. You can grab the LOKLiK iEngrave through the link in my description, and yes, there's a coupon code because I love y'all like that, okay? Tag me if you make something cool or weird. I support both. I'll leave all of my socials handles down below so you can tag me in your lovely creations. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you get super crafty with your new laser engraver like I have. Let me know in the comments, have you been thinking about getting a laser engraver? Which one are you thinking to get? I want to know all of the details. Happy crafting and bye for now.